Hello. Welcome back to my channel. So this is Akanksha Terki, and today we're gonna explore on canvas painting. So I painted my canvas into a black color and let it dry for a few minutes. After that I use a red color and a black color and a little mixture of it and painted with it. I'm just giving a little layer on side of a canvas. After that I used in yellow and orange color and do the same thing. Do you love to play with colors like I do? So you might have been a confusion that what I am doing here. I'm just creating a little bit of background at the back side. A light background. I'm using yellow and orange to create that round color. I did the same thing on the both the sides. Even I used blue and green color. After that I took a red color to make a candle and a white color to make its flame. After that I used little bit of blue at down of the flames and a yellow. And after that I use a little bit of black color to make a shadow type effect on a candle and a little bit of white color to highlight it. I hope you guys love it. If you like it, please comment on my channel and do share with people. Thank you.